Who said there is no affordable homes in Orlando? Come on, I'll show you one that is move-in ready. Looking for a peaceful, one-story home that feels private, bright, and easy to maintain? This affordable 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa may be exactly what you've been waiting for. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice the open space, high ceilings, and natural light. The home feels bright, comfortable, and welcoming. One of my favorite features is the peaceful view. There are no rear neighbors. Instead, you have a beautiful green open space behind the home, giving you privacy and a sense of calm. You get that quiet suburban feeling, pero todavía estás cerca de todo. This villa is also in a very convenient location. You're close to shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, and everyday essentials. The Loop shopping area is about 10 minutes away, where you'll find a movie theater and major stores like Kohl's, Ross, Old Navy, and more. You also have easy access to the Highway 417, the Orlando International Airport, and all the Disney parks, making this a great option whether you live here full-time, travel often, or want to be near everything Orlando has to offer. Another great feature is the layout. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the home offers privacy and flexibility. 1 bedroom and a bathroom can beautifully work for guests, family, or a roommate. So, if you're looking for a one-story villa in Orlando that is peaceful, practical, bright, and affordable, this could be the one. I'm Eda De Leon with Florida Relocation Real Estate. If you would like more information or want to schedule a private showing, reach out to me. Estoy aquí para ayudarte.